Rebound Lee. Crossover. Nakalusot. Lee. It's all the way to the home. So iniwan. To Doliente. One bump and fires off the glass. Bakit? Doliente. Napunta pa rin. Reverse layup of the glass. Bakit? Doyo. Pass to Yi. Posting up. Spins hook shot. Bakit? Yi. Welcome to Abra Intertown 2024. Lagangilang versus Pilar. First ball possession. Lagangilang. Deep three. Lee. Bam! First block. And here is number 6. Pass to number 8 in 3. Number 1 goes to inside. Minus. Drives. Inside pass. Fires off the glass. Dackel with the finish. And ball is stolen. Here's Lee. Easy way, Lee. Easy. And here's Lee. Lee pass back. Villamor. Villamor fires a 3. Bang! Another. Doliente at the top. Goes to the wings. Pass to the wings. Cross pass. Minus. Bang! 3 points. And Lee. Villamor. Pass back to Lee. Lee. Pass to the middle. Hoyoy. Villamor. Drives. Rejected. And here's Doliente. Bounce pass. 4-3 minus. Won't go. Rebound Lee. Crossover. Nakalusot. Lee. Dives all the way to the home. So iniwan sa ere. Oduka. Pass to Lee. Cross pass to the middle. Mejia sa corner. Bullseye. Doliente. Stops. 4-3. No good. Rebound Mejia. Mejia pass to Lee. Lee spins. He stops. Deep 3 again. Bang! Another 3. And here's team Pilar. Bump. Corner. Fix. Minus. Goes inside. Pinabitin basket and 1 minus. Oduka crosses the mid lane against Doliente. Goes to the screen. Stop. Bounce pass. Oyohoy. Pass to Lee. Lee again for 3. No good. Rebound Oyohoy. Takes. Drives. Inside. No look pass on the baseline. Bullseye. Lee. Lee slowly dribbling the ball. Asking for a pick. Pick by Oyohoy. Drives. Inside. Lee. Bakit? Another. Doliente for Team Pilar. Pass to Minus. To Doliente. One bump and fires off the glass. Bakit? Doliente. Doliente. Pass to the wings. Pass to Doliente. To the middle. Bump. Pinasa kay Minus. Minus. Pull up J. Bullseye. Minus. Oduka cross the mid lane. Bounce pass to the middle. Oyohoy. Pass to Lee. Lee. Pull up jumper. Bakit? Grabing ganda ng laban. Walang umiscore. And here's Lee. Corner for 3. Wala pa rin. Grabe. Yi with the ball against Mejia. Pass to the middle for 3. Na good. Rebound. And the pass. Sears Oduka to the middle. Goes inside. Lace. No good. Rebound. Put back. Mejia won't go. Put back shot. The third shot. Doliente slowly dribbling the ball. Pass to Maynes. Maynes. He dribbled the ball against Lee. To the middle. Doliente goes inside. Pinasa kay Yi. Falling away. Hook shot. Basket. Yi. Duka. Cross the mid lane. He's at the top. Pass to number 20. Lee spins. Lee against Doliente. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. Doliente. Pass to Minus. Pass to Yi. Posting up. Spins. Hook shot. Bakit? Yi. And Aninaw. Corner pass. Doliente for 3. Oh, bang! Nakuha ni Lee. Lee now in hurry. Against 2 defender. Hook shot. Na good. Tips in. Bakit? The check out. And number 6. Pass to Doliente for 3. Short. Rebound by Oyohoy. And the high pass. Lee stops. Wild open for 3. Won't go. Fight for the rebound. Goes to number 25. Lace. Basket and 1. Doliente against Lee. He stops to the middle. Apolonio. Alinaw. To Yi. Yi di diskarte. Pinasa behind the back pass. Apolonio drives. Lays. Bucket of the glass. Against Alinaw. Lee goes to the screen. Lee. Sumisigsag. Pass to Yohoy. Pass to Lee picks. Lee crossover drives the floater. No good. Rebound. Napunta pa rin. Reverse layup of the glass. Bakit? Yohoy. Minus attacks. Bomb fires. Bakit? Now Lee. Now in Harry. Against Minus of the glass. Bakit? Lee. Doliente attacks. Liz kinaliwa. Bakit? Doliente goes to the middle. Lee looking for the clock. Shot clock down to 10. Goes to the screen. Left alone. Fires a 3. Won't go. And here's Minus. Sumigsag attacks. Drives to the hoops. Bakit? Minus. And here's number 25, Villamor, tumadance. Recover, drives, goes inside, lays, bucket! And Doliente, 3-on-1. And Minus lays, face to face, in your face. And Hoyohoy. Hoy, behind the back dribble, is stolen, wala na. Ang alat ng bola, lumipad, lays, bucket, Doliente, woo! Down to 1 point lead, 39-30. Bam, corner, open look, pull up J. Good rebound, hook shot, bucket, up by 3. That's the end of. And here's Lee. Lee at the top, against Go. Pull up J at 3, won't go. And rebound by Oduka. Pull up J, 3-point shot, bang! Doliente, for Pilar. Doliente picks, goes to the screen, kicks out. Apolonio for 3, won't go. And the long pass, here's Lee. He stops. Cross pass, Oduka. Again, open look. Bang! Back to back. On by Minus. Minus behind the back. Minus side steps. Sinausaw! Diente. Pass to Apolonio. Sa 3. Short. Rebound. Kay Minus. Fires. Short. Put back shot. Minus. The second chance. Good. And Lee against Go, sumisigsag, bump, picks, pumalik, the footwork, grabe. And inside pass, fires of the glass, easy to Yi. Minus, attacking the defense, goes inside, high pass, good. Rebound number 25, pass break, Oduka all the way to the hoops, easy to Oduka. And he's posting up for Yi. Kicks out. Drives, floater, bucket, Doliente. And this bump, spins, pinabitin, bucket, Minus. Oduka, pass sa 3, Lee, bam! Kay number 25 to Lee. Lee picks, inside pass, another extra pass, bucket, Mejia! Now in Harry. Doliente zigzagging, lays, too strong, rebound, and the pass, Lee. Binit-bit. Oh, nag-hoy! Scoop layup! Nag-gel! Number 1 to Yi. Inside pass. Another extra pass. Almost lost. Kinabol Oduka. Kinaliwa. Bakit Oduka? Then, that's the end. Against Alinaw. Between the legs. Goes to the screen. Inside pass. Ball is stolen. Pass break. Doliente. Doliente dives. Lays. Bakit? Doliente. Oduka at the top. Deep 3. No good. Rebound. Apolonio pass break. And all alone. Lays. Easy to Doliente. Back to back. Lee against number 6. Alinaw. Goes to the screen. Corner pass. 4-3. Rejected by Minus. Minus. He pass. Lays. Doliente. Back to back. 2 balls. Doliente. Minus. Bump. Corner. Pull up jumper. Very good. Rebound Lee. Lee pass break. Oduka. Reverse layup. Pocket. Oduka. New long pass. Here's Doliente again. Lee is bucket again. Once again. And here's between the behind the back dribble. Lee. Lee. Attack, side step, floater. Bucket! Pinilit pero pumaga. Oduka against Doliente. Wasting the clock, high pass inside. Reverse layup, bucket, lead! And here's Minus now. Minus goes inside, reverse layup, basket and one. Minus! Mejia, pass to the middle, Yi, kick corner pass, Oduka, won't go, rebound, and this pass break, Minus all alone. Liz, easy two, down to 3 point. Oduka, 2 minutes and 20 seconds left on the game clock. Shot clock down to 14. Pass to Lee. 3-point lead, 72-69 for 3. Bang from deep! 6-point lead. 75-69. Doliente. Yi. For 3. Won't go. Rebound Lee. Lee now attacks. Straight to the hoops. Oh, stolen. Recover. And stolen by Minus. Minus. Bounce pass. Pinasa sa loob. Doliente on the free throw. Bucket. Doliente. Another one. Still goes in. Doliente. Down to 4-point lead. Na technical sila dun. Bucket. And 75-72. 3-point lead. And pass. 1 minute 25 seconds on the game clock. Lee stop for 3. Bam! Another 3. And here's Doliente. 1 minute and 17 seconds on the game clock. Shot clock down to 7. So, 3. Short. Pass. Doliente. Sa gitna. Fire sa 3. Won't go. Rebound. Put back. Dejected. Koyoy. Pass. And then, this number 25. Bam. To the hoops. Bucket. Here's Minus. Pass. Bam. Inatid. Takes. Hook shot. Short. The pass. Pinabitin sa taas. Pass. Pinapaikot na yung bola. Hook pass. For 3. Too strong. Rebound. And congratulations.